Hi everyone, it's Karen from Mayfly Life. Today I'm making a quick video on a summertime favorite of my family, and it's an iced tea concentrate. So stick with me and I'll show you how to make it with only 4 ingredients. Okay, so this is an all-time favorite of my family. I've been making it since my daughter was quite a little girl, and this is a iced tea concentrate. There's no additives, no preservatives, no nothing like that in it, but this is something that my family and I have enjoyed every summer, and it's very refreshing. It tastes very similar to like sweet tea that you get down in the States, which my daughter is absolutely crazy about. So what I'm going to do, and when you're making it, you just need 4 ingredients, which is great. Water, like boiling water, lemon juice concentrate, tea bags, and sugar. That's it. So what I've got here is I've got my vintage jug here, and I'm going to place in 12 tea bags. Doesn't matter what kind of tea it is. As long as it's just a regular, you can go and get your cheap type tea bags and do it that way. It doesn't require you to buy specialty teas or anything like that. So you just any ordinary. This is actually a Walmart brand. So, and it's orange pekoe black tea. So it's really good. I love this. It's really nice. And very easy. You get 100 tea bags and then just put it away for the next batch. So I've got 12 tea bags in here, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So for every cup of water, like boiling water, you want at least six tea bags. If you want it stronger, add a little bit more. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding 2 cups. 2 cups of boiling water. And what you're going to do is you're going to steep it for a good 20 minutes to an hour. The longer the better, because you want a nice strong brew. So I've let the tea steep for at least a good half hour. And what I'm going to do is I am going to pull out the steeped tea bags, and it's just warm to the touch now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze out as much of the water as I possibly can from the tea bags. And like, you don't want to squeeze it too much or too hard, because you might end up breaking or splitting open the bags themselves. And what you're going to come up with is just under 2 cups of steeped tea. You can either top it up with additional hot water, or you can just leave it as is if you want that full strength of tea. I've got one more bag here, if I can ever get it out. There we go. And squeeze it out real good. Okay, from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe up whatever stuff I had. You're going to add equal amounts to the yet warm tea, steeped tea. You're going to add 2 cups of sugar. Now this is an old recipe that my mother-in-law used to make, and what she does is that she uses just normal white sugar, and you're going to stir it up until it's pretty much dissolved. I know it sounds like a lot of sugar, but don't forget, this is a concentrate, which means you only add a little bit to a little bit to a lot of water. So to that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Now you can use any type of citrus. If you want lime, you can have lime. If you want orange, by all means. I mean, to give it a different flavor. But we use the lemon juice. And then what you're going to do, you're going to give this a good mix. And leave it in your fridge. Put the lid on top, put it in the fridge, leave it alone for, you know, at least 6 hours, at least. Because what's going to happen is that the sugar in with the tea, it's going to create a syrup. And that's what you want. And that's how it's magical concentrate. This has been a longtime favorite of my late mother-in-law. Actually, it's my first husband's mom, my late husband's mother, who used to make this, and I just loved it. So I introduced it to my family with my husband now and my daughter just loves it. And her boyfriend just tried it recently. I made it, and he absolutely loves it. It's simple. It's easy to make. You have pretty much every single ingredient in your home. Most of it in your pantry, and then your lemons or your oranges. You can either use fresh oranges, fresh lemons, squeeze it out. It's going to take a lot to squeeze out, or you can use bottled concentrate, and you can even look for a natural lemon concentrate if you want. So put that in the fridge for 6 hours, or even best yet, if you're going to make it the night before, leave it in your fridge overnight, and it'll be ready for you first thing in the morning. Okay, so to continue with my summertime iced tea, sweet tea, it's been sitting overnight in the fridge, and this is what you need to do to have a great glass of cold iced tea. I've got a nice glass mug here with ice, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my concentrate and just pour it in, and you're just going to put about that much. So you're just going to fill up the glass a little bit, and then you take it over to the sink for some cold water and fill it right to the top. Now you're just going to give it a mix. And there you have it. Beautiful golden iced tea. So make it for yourself. Try it, see how you like it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.